Hi everyone, I'm Eddie and this is E&S Computers. Today we've got this tower system that we're getting this error from. You'll see in a minute when it boots up. So this is the first time I booted it up, so all I'm going by is what the customer has told me. Right, so I'm going to go to Advanced and Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Right, first of all, let's have a look and see if we can uninstall any updates. See if it was an update that caused it. Right, okay. Right. So let's see if we can access the C drive or whether it's become corrupted. Right, so so sometimes when it boots into this, the C drive, the Windows partition, is not the actual first partition. So you'll get something like this where booting up like this, the reserved or a recovery partition is labelled as a C. So, but in this case, Windows partition is on D. Right, so we can see that partition. So first of all, troubleshoot, advanced. Now let's see if we can do a system restore. Right, so 20 seconds. Let's try that one first, and we'll go next. Right, okay, so it's saying that it didn't finish, it didn't succeed, but I have seen it before where it said it didn't succeed and it actually did. So it's now doing a restart. And there we go, that has actually fixed it. As you can see, it is running a bit slow, so what we'll do is we'll run a system file check. As you can see, it says it actually completed successfully. Right, so we've run the system file check, and we can actually leave it there for now. As you can see, it's found corrupted and files and repaired them. So I mean, the main thing is that it's now booting. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll reply to you soon. Take care, have a good day, bye.